Polishing your car is probably one of the best, most affordable things you could do to your car to make it look nice, but it's not the easiest thing to do. Today, me and my friend are gonna try to polish his truck with almost zero experience. The results were kind of crazy.
Oh shit. Damn, your car is dirty, bro.
No.
Let's clean your car, let's polish it. What the fuck are you listening to?
Let's go polish it, let's go. Come
What
on.
are you listening to? The music.
What do you mean? Let's go polish it.
Oh shit, alright, let's go.
God.
Bro, how'd you get your truck so dirty?
We're off-roading, bro.
Hey, so tell them what we're doing today.
Today, we're gonna be polishing this blue right here and also paint correcting, basically. Follow me. First, oh man. But we have these towels here. These are important because they're super soft. We got some extensions to polish metal. And we have the clay bar, which I know where it's at. Let's go, let's go.
First step is getting the truck clean so we don't fuck it up when we're using the clay bar. Alright, so we just cleaned the truck. The next step is to clay it and lube it up for the clay.
Wait, bro, you wearing a Gucci shirt?
Oh yeah, bro, she clean or what?
Yeah,
Like
bro.
it?
That's clean, bro.
It's pretty cool, huh?
Yeah. Bro, why are you wearing that? Isn't it gonna get dirty?
I'm gonna just be careful, bro. I gotta look good for the camera.
I don't know how I feel about that.
Alright, let's get started.
Let's go, let's go.
Alright, if you guys don't know how the clay works, basically, you have your area you want to clay. You spray some soapy water or some lubricant. You get your clay. Oh, fuck.
Oh, my name is retarded.
And then you start going, and it's gonna feel rough at first, and then it's gonna get smoother. And once it's smooth, that's when you know it's good. Alright, so we just got the truck clayed down. It's looking pretty clean. Don't you think it's clean?
It's looking pretty good, guys. Take a look at it. These are little scuffs, but that will all be gone once we're finished.
Let's look at the
polishing.
scuffs. So look, we got scuffs
Little
like
scuffs here. Look over here.
that one. We got scuffs right
Right
there. Big one right there. We got scuffs like this one right here. And we're gonna try to get rid of all these scuffs with the paint correction.
There are also some spots that are missing paint, but we'll paint correct that. I mean, touch it up later.
So now that we clayed it, what's the next step?
The next step is cut and buff.
And what are we using?
I'm gonna foam from Harbor Freight.
We got two Bauer rotary things to do to polish, and we got two pads, and we got polishing right here. We got the 1 and 2 hybrid polish compound, and we're
When
gonna.
we're done, it should look a little like that.
The fuck? You saying when we're done it's gonna look like a Ferrari?
Just like a Lamborghini. Let's go, let's go.
Whoa! What the fuck? It's my shirt, bro. I just got this.
Bro, you said it would be okay.
Why the fuck did you do that, bro? You messed up my shirt. Bro, it's Gucci.
Man, that Gucci's fake anyways.
The fuck? No, it's not, bro. I literally paid 400 for this.
Yeah, like 400 pesos.
Bro, I'm gonna beat your fucking ass. Fuck, bro, I actually just got this. I'm fucking mad as fuck. It's not gonna wash off.
Nah, bro, chill out.
What's wrong with you? You're fucking stupid.
Alright, bro, you trying to run it or what?
Oh, fuck your ass right now. Come on, dude. On my face.
Let's go, let's
On my face. What you do? It's like ghost in this, bro. Ghost in the video. So we just finished polishing the car. It honestly came out pretty good. Like you can see the light shining on it. Bro, what are you doing?
I'm fixing my hair right here in the mirror.
Oh shit, you're right. Yeah, we're gonna polish the wheels next. Like right there, you see. So we're gonna get all that shit cleaned. And also those like scratches and like kind of like streaks or whatever. Yeah, we got rid of all of those. All right, let's do the wheels. Let's go, let's go.
Let's go, let's go.
So what do you have there?
Today right here we have the Milwaukee Fuel Brushless M18. And we're gonna use it here. How do I put it first?
Just push it down.
Let's go, let's go.
Bro, I heard that drill has more power than your OBS.
That could be true.
So what are you doing now?
Giving it a little clean, wiping it down, so we could polish. Alright, you guys can see the wheels were very dirty. So I have not used this polish, guys, so today we're learning.
I thought you knew how to do this.
Mag and aluminum polish. No, I haven't used this polish, you know?
But it should be the same thing, no?
Yeah.
How good are you at doing this on a scale of 1 to 10?
Me, I'm a 10, bro. I don't think this is working. It's supposed to get black. You got a knife, one?
Nah, bro. I could probably open that bitch. I'm strong as fuck.
Stop the cap.
Call a dog for help.
Hey! Oh shit, hey, open this.
This is our little buddy.
I told you I
Oh,
was strong.
by the looks of it, we don't know how to polish.
Don't say that, bro.
But we do. Trust the process.
Hey, bro, so who taught you how to polish?
It was a major from Antarctica. He was 35. And supposedly one of the best polishers in the world.
I think he lied to you. Oh, I don't see no difference.
I don't see no black either.
No, I don't see a difference. Not black.
Yo, what are you doing?
Nothing, bro. I was in the mirror to see something in my nuts.
What mirror? What mirror?
What do you mean what mirror? The wheels.
Yo, you're weird.
Bro, this is the mirror. We finished it, guys. If you need to check your nuts, you can see it easy on this mirror.
Don't check your nuts.
No, you can check your nuts. If you see his truck on the street, check your nuts on it.
I mean, look at the paint. It's losing reflection.
Last step for the paint, we gotta spray some of this. This is gonna protect it for 3 months. And this is very easy to apply. All you do, stand kind of far from it, get a couple sprays, let it sit for a little bit, and then you just wipe it down.
It smells kind of like shit.
It does, huh?
You guys know that beauty takes, what is it called?
Beauty's paint or something?
Oh yeah, beauty is pain. So if you guys do the process correctly, your paint should feel smoother than a baby's butt. You guys know we're doing a giveaway.
Fuck, I'm not giving away shit. Anyways, you know what to do now though? We gotta take some clean ass pictures with it.
Let's go.
Aquí la pura gente del señor Mecho, arriba las 4 que traen el terreno. El cartel Jalisco de aquel michoacano, se lo andan buscando los americanos, no lo habrían